Welcome back. Been out here for an hour or so getting things prepared, getting the tools set up, taking some measurements, and I'm getting ready to make some cuts to prepare that wall and that little fir header to receive this beam as it sets down. Measured out the height of the posts. I've got to make it match so that that beam will fit down in there when it goes across. My wife's getting ready to start the generator for me so that I can use my skill saw and just kind of nib this away. It's going to take a while because that's 6 inches wide and I got to get it down just like I did this groove here, but I don't think it'll be too bad. Doing anything like this, you want to come in from the outside because if you push outward, you can get some chip out. We're getting ready to cut the top beam, the one that is the rafter. I've marked the angle that needs to be cut. Oh, my wife is gassing up the generator for me. We'll get that cut, and then I already have the measurement that I need from the top edge there to the other side. I'll mark it with the template and we'll make that cut. Trying to assemble this. It is blistering hot out here today. It was 90 degrees at noon. I don't know what time it is, and I know it's gotten hotter. It hasn't gotten any cooler. Ready? That sucks. Like that. I should have had something under this other end to brace it. This is the first hole I'm drilling here, so here goes nothing. Try to put it dead center in here and go straight down. This may not be the drill that I end up using. I don't think it's bad or sugar. I think it just requires more torque than I've got here. It cuts in quite a bit. I just don't think this drill, I wish I had something that fit into my big drill. Yeah, that is not going to do it. Straight up and down. I guess we're gonna find out. Definitely is crazy. Can I get you to come put some weight on this sugar? Over on the side. Weight right here. There we go. Yep. Don't lean in. I don't want to hit you in the face with this thing.
Yeah, I don't want you to.
Ow, that thing is hot. Good.
So does it work though?
Yep. It looks like it worked. We'll find out.
You bought this bit just for this, right?
I bought this bit just for this.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yep.
Oh, it's hot.
Yep. Friction. Get underneath, see if I can get a plate on there. Let's see here. I'll be damned.
What?
It fits. It works.
Well, what were you worried about?
I'm sitting here without any kind of a form.
Has a little, it's over a bit.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can be obsessive compulsive about something else, sweetheart. I love you.
Just telling you.
I know you're telling me. Well, the sun's dipping down and we're running out of energy. We're gonna go head home, try to rehydrate a little bit, get ready for tomorrow. We got this truss put together. We got one more piece of wood to cut to go in there and 2 more brackets to fasten in. And then we're gonna see about lifting it and putting it in place. First sawdust burns when it gets in your eyes. In there?
Yeah, I just don't have anything to.
What's that?
It looks really good. I just don't have it. We need a block.
We've been running in and out from the rain, and sooner or later we got to just make this happen because it don't look like it's going to completely go away. Rains a little bit, dries up, rains a little bit, dries up. Now that I decided I'm going to do something, it's raining again. I don't know what else to do but to just wait for a pause and try to make it happen. Which side do you want to put that on? We're trying to wait for a pause in the rain. Sooner or later you got to do it. I think we're about ready to just do it. So I'm going to lift it up, and we don't even, at this point, we don't even know if it's going to reach. I may have to set it back down closer this direction and move the excavator over this way. I really don't know. First thing I'm going to do is see, can I lift it high enough? Alright? And after we get it lifted high, I'll bring it back down, bring it over until one end of it over here, and then I'll see if we can lift it up. We have made some adjustments in the way that we have the strap, so it's sitting a little more level and it's got a little more play to it. We might be able to pull this off, we're hoping.
The center of the beam is not sliding down into the notch in the header halfway across the hull. By lifting it and settling it over and over again, we were able to creep it over into the position that we needed so that it would fit down into the slot. There are little things that you learn along the way that you'll do right the next time, like making sure the position of the strap doesn't interfere with the fit between the beams and the wall.
Well, that, I'll go ahead and say it, that was some sketch shit.
You can't say that.
That was rough, but we got it done. It took all day, a couple of storms. It still sounds like it's gonna roll in here, rain on us, but it's up there. I'm getting ready to put in some little braces in the corner. Call it a night.
I deserve a shower.
Yeah. It, well, I'm almost afraid to put this one out there. I don't know what I'm gonna catch from people, but we got it done. Some days are like that. That was crazy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Come on back and check us out again. We'll see you next time at Break Hard Orchard.
Nice.